What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have an automatic soap dispenser. Now this one is actually this one can deceive you. Okay, it looks like a regular soap dispenser, the one where you know like that. It looked like a regular soap dispenser, but this one is an automatic soap dispenser. So we are going to go ahead and get into it. Now when it comes to this one and the other ones I reviewed, these are built-in battery. I believe this is built-in battery. The other one I just reviewed is a built-in battery. It looked like a thermostat, so it's pretty cool. So this one, I'm not sure if it takes batteries or not. Nope, this is a built-in battery. So the previous ones that I reviewed in the past, you actually had to put in batteries. I still have them. You have to put in like 4 AA batteries and stuff like that. You guys, batteries are expensive. Have you ever been to Costco and Sam's Club lately and looked for batteries? They are very overpriced, you guys. So with that being said, this is 1800 milliamps of battery. It has the working humidity. Oh, why am I doing that? All right, so here you go, you guys. I actually was forgetting my style of review. So you can pause this, glance, so that way I don't have to read all of that stuff. And guess what? There you go, made in China. You guys, most of the stuff I review is made in China. There's no getting around it. So blah, blah, blah to that. So here you go right there. This is foam, all right? Now, something that I learned recently is that you can actually mix liquid and water and you can create your own foam ratio. This is so sleek. You cannot push this down to get soap out, you guys. This is automatic, okay? Here goes the sensor right there. So you can tell that's the sensor. That's where the soap come out. There go your power button, USB, very nice. Has a little waterproof cover to it. So we pop out the waterproof cover. So I press the button and it turned red. Now it's off. Press the button again. It flashes blue. I guess that's indicating that it's on. I'm gonna hold it again. Flashing red, off. This is nice and simple, you guys. I really don't even need the instructions with this. Ooh, this is different. Have a nice little tube to it. So this is obviously your line in. So that brings the soap in, and there you go. You put the soap in there just like that. This is nice and simple, you guys. There's no wall mount. There's like no special adhesion. It goes right there like that. People will think this is a regular soap. You shouldn't even tell nobody. You should just have them do this. And they wouldn't even know. They will come back out the bathroom and say, "Hey, what's going on with your soap?" So once they find out what it is, they're gonna be like, "Wow, I want one of these." So this is pretty cool. All right, you guys, I'm going to go ahead, put some soap in it and finalize the review. There's no way to set settings on here, or at least I didn't see no way to set settings. So the sensor is basically underneath. So here we go. So I'm about maybe like 1 inch away, and that's how much soap it kicks out. I'm gonna go back up. So it gives you a good amount of soap. All right, once again, you got your power button at the top. So you hit your power button. Hold on a second. I held the power button down. It's flashing red. And basically it is off. I'm gonna hold it down again. Now blink blue and it's working. All right, and then you have your charger port in the back. It says it right there, USB, and of course it's USB type C. And plug it, charge it, call it a day, and that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section. Oops. Put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.